Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Leads. How to make a study plan. Taking your study guide and applying smart goal setting techniques will increase your chances of success. Tracking and reassessing your goals weekly will turn your study guide into an actual study plan. So, this is so simple to do but often overlooked. But I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. Here I am going to share some tips that will help you to make a study plan. Number first, start by choosing the goal for your study plan. Okay? Study guides as well as study plans can be created for any number of reasons. You can create one to track your learning progress over the entire course or make one for a single test. I suggest you introduce the practice of making them both if you want excellent grades. Your study guide for the course of semester will be lengthy. It will track everything covered between now and the final exam. Okay. So for making plan for study, number first must be start by choosing the goal for your study plan. Number two, this one will be define the timeline of your study plan. Your timeline will differ if your study guide is for a specific test or the entire class. Study guides for a course will obviously run for the whole year or semester. They are much longer and incorporate everything you learn. A study plan for a test only covers the specific material on that exam. This can range anywhere from a couple of weeks to a few months. Okay? So at the top of your study plan template, add the study guide start and end dates. Okay? Number three, collect all of the course material. This is probably going to be the trickiest of all the steps. Don't worry, the process is actually easier than you expect. The outline for your study guide is simply a list of all the core concepts you will be studying in that class. This should be found on your syllabus. Number four, list out all the topics to be studied. Once you know the course content, create a simple list of every single topic to be covered. This is going to be the messy, so quick and dirty is fine. I like to do this in order in which it will be covered. This is usually the order in which you find it in the syllabus. Okay, number fifth one, pull out your textbook and break down each topic into the fundamental concepts. Once you have a list of topics, start breaking them down into their key components. This is done so you can concentrate on studying one key concept at a time. This will make sure that you fully understand that this topic before moving on. I like to use this opportunity to reference each them in my textbook. Okay, number fifth one, this one will be very amazing. Choose 10 to 20 study activities that suit you. Each of us has our own strengths and weaknesses, especially when it comes to learning. Getting clear on these weaknesses and choosing study activities that fit if your learning style will go a long way to staying on track. This goes doable or double for study activities that you find boring or redundant. Anyway, these tips are very important for making every kind of study plan. Thank you very much for watching.